Hi guys, today we're going to do a boat. Like we're going to show this boat. It looks like a closet, but it's actually a boat. When you what? My cousin made it. Now it's just like a. This looks like a. It looks like a closet. Now it looks like a boat. I told my cousin you put 4 spaces. Watch. 1, 2, 3, and the last one 4. I told him to like this. Now we're going to make the 5th one. Let's see if it's going to look good. Okay, well, let's see now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5. Okay, so now, will this work? I think so. But her mom said we can't do it in water, so we have a plan. What plan? We could sneak up in the bathroom and then, like, we could just get the tub. We will sneak in the bathroom, get the small tub. It's like, I don't know. Okay, so we're going to take a bathroom shower tub. Like, we have it in our bathroom. So, we're going to fill it up. And we're going to do something in that will hold water. And we're going to put the boat. And after that, we'll push our boat. Because we don't have a plan. So we can't make a motorboat. That's why we're going to have to push our boat. That's all. Okay, so it's time to Rosa, so we're gonna pause it. If you don't know what does that mean, so peace out.